enti ono no right from also re akunya so no ye to abama na lusu 2012 2016 abano na wonim say obeba even before oye na be say wo sore kwa tia say wawe ofre Ghana Armed Forces Armed Forces we have nothing to do with the civilians. Go, ours is to protect them. If you have lost, you have lost. Get down. Or your cocoa hands was for moon. Yes, I'm going to see that. Look, Mammy Cho, look at the sharp a year is here before Charlotte say, Ebe Kase, Abano, John Dramani Muhammad Lusu. In about 10 minutes, Charlotte say, Aka 7 regions. Enti Ogusoji. Owura demo by less than 5 minutes. No abe declared. Now Omahu. And in fact, Amadu Sulley was doing his job very well. Said the way a bit me assistant DB. And that is what Charlotte said. Because Charlotte said, in other jurisdictions, a crobia mraya juma ken papa that Charlotte said, as well call them, because statement to be making it was a recipe for chaos and disorder in the country. You will be catching say, Amadu Sulley critique constituencies are now anyhow a devote for the whole car. Amadu Sulley, as we know him, why NDC, and this will critique constituencies anyhow a devote to Breya or the Breya mine. Because when it looks like a duck and it walks like a duck and it quacks, then we have no option than to call it a duck. It is a duck. And the Naka Charlotte said, yes, what called them. The humor brought and a year no cry, I can't say sorry for one can say sorry, was sorry about one. Because when you say, well, do a year, no, one self at us what now. And ye de echo. Indeed, on penny that I didn't know him so better. Now, this is the manner. The most fortunate politician in Ghana. Obi no bit in Ghana to talk John Dramani in terms of politics in Ghana. Ufra assemblyman, wababe DC, wababe MP, deputy minister, vice president. Political position be a what Ghana be to the peak. Papa Iwedi. Maybe when na I had a contribution towards the country's development. Assemblyman, all you can get from this records is corruption. He has nothing good to offer the country than corruption. Assemblyman, yes, we are assemblyman, or then a canny, Mianca, a Yiminia, a Quasi Gabriel, obey assemblyman frante, on a decania bar frante. Ain't ye boni dia to swag castle. John Dramani Mahama, Bolly Bamboy assemblyman. Mumisa say cocoa crown, with me be a shop, Mobis will be cotton cocoa or a friend, obey MP, Bojo, obey minister, a friend, deputy minister, Omunyo, vice president, Kojo top, president, and the crowd here, paying for Bobo. Now, what be doing feel na area? Now, maybe I bought audio be actual. Maybe, as I may board you, natural one, sana, Yakoso. Enti mama yenti audio no na yenti ni pa asama o mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama ekai mum yenti audio no yenti
at the launch of his presidential bid. Listen,
will reduce significantly the size of government. And as announced in
Yebefano bako or say we will reduce significantly the size of government. Me pacho John Dramani Mahama kasi ya mpanifo se amfo netwa e kire ne nto aso. The oye enran enu ne yehwe se wo hye ye boss en no betima ye bibia ye betima agina so akasa mpa esa se mpanyifo se de wakwa agyanan so akoto se kokosechi esi su tonko ye ba ne be ka chen se kokosechi to agyanan ma ondi achinye ena de ore kokoto ewe na bona so ka so bewe kora ye ndi no achinye endi time na wo ye president no na Ghana e 10 regions which under the constitution every region must have its minister. If not deputy crown or minister, the regional minister there, who is in charge of security in that region, representing the president there, you must have. In the time and now John Dramani Mahama, who govern over 10 regions, you know. Now ministers year 88. And the regions, you know, I increase it to 16. Also better so. Over fine what is Why? Over then what is one? Talk is cheap. Now I always say this man no on one kasa de enka meja na maka kire na tunufu pa say e botro fu clock papa bi no ma petition bi tunufu ma ontie no ono fa na anwen so ono an obeti papa bi no ma petition 12 ko no na a petition ni ya adwuma ono tunufu nti mu ontie. You should not give an ear to that person, but we are this man is adamant obekọ so anu aye do be no kwakuti no aba be kasem asem nso wo be kan or you be okasa na say wo be comment wo ho a you have to discipline yourself and yes I wa no be pa. I'm telling you, yeah, ti amete ha no me trade cautiously say man no kopenti ano. No matter what, he's been former president, my former, not just former, my former president. What does it? Ndi obey why a national asset. Onu na ehu ne ho saa. Onu na ehu ne ho saa. Say ye call independence day we say won call because of mine no come dey. Wo be di ade na we di independence day ye bas branding. Na satam Ghana nyina di amen. Ndi so kasa na wo be ma comment wo ho a wan hwe a wo be wo kra wa no no akopa. Ndi I'm treading cautiously say men koka sentia because we talk against at the DNA password we believe strongly say you can share your view without any insult or offensive words. Until we have to do that. In fact, where it is necessary, we will give it to you. But I don't think it will be right for me to sit here, as young as I am, with respect to the former president. Now, Medinatem, I know it wouldn't speak good of me and of this page. Until we will write that one off. But in the Kasa or Kasa, so be commented on without using harsh words. But I'll try because sebi nipa ni shia no mo woman yet tete ya nyem enyem yeni enkomo sabre ebre no aye bia ye bidi enkomo fa John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency the former president of the Republic Ghana em say okwatena nchen atoto boaba park in so now we need one information when this money there now we knew very well said this man will come back and the no right from also the ekunya so no ye to abama na lusu 2016 abano now we nim say obeba even before oye na be say osore kwa tia say wa we ofre Ghana Armed Forces ethical challenge. We have nothing to do with the civilians. Go. Ours is to protect them. If you have lost, you have lost. Get down. Or your cocoa hands will see for more. Yes, I'm going to see that. Look, Mamicho, look at the sharp a year is here before Charlotte say, Ebe Kase, Abano, John Dramani Mahama Lusu. In about 10 minutes, Charlotte Ebe Kase say, Aka 7 regions. Enti Ogusoji. Ora demo by less than 5 minutes, no abe declared. Now Omahu. And in fact, Amadu Sulley was doing his job very well. Said the way a bit me as a Sandy. And that is what Charlotte said. Because Charlotte said, in other jurisdiction, a Krobia Mraya, Juma Ken Papa Charlotte say, as well called them, because statement to be making, and it was a recipe for chaos and disorder in the country. You will be catching and say, Amadu Sulley critique constituencies are now anyhow a devote for the whole Amadu Sulley as we know him.